Hello there. Today, organizations are not only embracing powerful GenAI models hosted in the cloud, they're also building and fine-tuning their own. But this growing adoption brings a critical challenge. How do you develop and interact with GenAI without exposing sensitive data, especially during training and testing? Machine learning pipelines handle sensitive data like personally identifiable information, protected health information, and non-public information, requiring a balance between quality training data and strict data protection regulations. Here is a representation of the lifecycle of data in machine learning. It's the journey data takes to train and power AI models. It starts with collecting and cleaning data, then moves to training the model, testing it, and finally deploying it into the real world. Let's take a look at Step 4: Model Training. This is where models learn from data. We'll show what Mage data does to safeguard sensitive data during model training. First, we'll consider a real-world scenario where a bank is building an AI to assess creditworthiness of car loan applications. The bank would use past data from its systems to train the AI model. For example, here is some data involving an individual named William Gillespie, who is applying for a car loan through a financial institution. To successfully train the AI model, the system must collect and store sensitive personal information, including personally identifiable information such as his full name, address, social security number, etc., as well as past outcomes for this individual, and whether William is eligible for the car loan. This data is essential for training a model that can accurately verify his identity and assess his creditworthiness. But how do we do this while ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements related to financial transactions? This is where Mage data steps in. Our platform lets you train on real production data without the risk. We apply context-preserving masking and tokenization, or both, to strip away PI and business-sensitive content. The outcome is that the AI models can still be trained without using sensitive data, without affecting accuracy thanks to Mage data's context-preserving masking. The result is high-quality, context-rich, GenAI-ready data without exposure. Contact Mage Data for more information. Thank you.